Next speaker, my darling Natalia from Repsol, and she's going to talk about All for Zero. This is something I would love to see in a country like Sweden among the corporates. Listen and learn.
Well, thank you very much, Magnus. First of all, congratulations to Magnus and Linda for the 20 years anniversary, and Jacob. So I'm part of Repsol, which I guess you have heard, at least for the motorbikes and the GP, how is the race? I forgot already, whatever. So we are a multi-energy company based in Spain, but we have operations in many countries. But I'm not here to talk about Repsol, I'm here to talk about All for Zero. And we have been, I only want to say this, we have been part of the problem, but we want to be part of the solutions. I don't know if the video is now, is at the end? At the end, okay. So this is All for Zero is an industrial hub that we set up, or we launched it in September 2023 with the aim to help decarbonization and circular economy, with the aim to help startups to scale up their technologies. The project was founded in Repsol, but we didn't want it to do it by ourselves because the challenge is huge and we cannot do it by ourselves. As I said, we wanted to join forces with others. So these are the founders of this industrial hub. We are companies that I guess you know, or you have heard, big CO2 emitters. We are from these hard to abate sectors. So we wanted to join forces to help, as I say, the decarbonization process. Here, in case you don't know, ArcelorMittal is a big corporation, a steel corporation. Holcim is from the cement sector. Iberia is the main Spanish airline company, and Repsol, of course, multi-energy or former oil and gas company. So we join forces, but we are not alone in this way. We are now not 25 because since yesterday we have 2 more collaborators. These sectors are, or the members, we are corporation, and the collaborators are mainly research centers. They are mainly from Spain, but we are open to other countries, to have members from other countries, because the challenge is global, and we are open to that. I have to tell that it was a unique initiative in Spain and in Europe. Nobody has joined forces from the private sectors. There are some public initiatives, but not private. So this is quite unique in Spain, but also in Europe. And we are looking, we are from, as maybe you don't know, but there are, as I say here, members from the logistics, from engineering, construction, waste management, textile and food sector. So we are representative quite a lot of sectors. And as I said, the collaborators are R&D centers or tech centers, and also have alliances. Maybe in a short future will be there the Deeptech Alliance, which Repsol is member of the alliance. And this is our goal. We want to help startups to scale up their technologies, but also to help the tech transfer from universities or R&D centers to the market. And also we want to create a network of people working in deep tech and decarbonization. And what we provide in the hub is a network of industrial facilities for these startups or R&D centers to test their technologies. We are, as you see in the map, mainly in Spain and Europe, but also ArcelorMittal, they have some assets, in fact, 11 globally. So we are open to test in these facilities. We identify technology areas that we want to work in, and those I'm not going to read all of this, but as you know, Last year in February 2024, we launched the first open call. We were not a known brand, and we received 186 projects. We consider a success because we were completely new. I have to tell that the 4 founders, we identify 48 common challenges, but we launched only 5 in the first open call. So we have some work to do. And from these challenges, we received those 186 projects from all around the world, mainly in Spain, because we were an Spanish, or we were born in Spain, but we want to be global, 60 international, and those were the distribution regarding the challenges. As you see, mainly CO2 capture and use and waste, but the other are also good numbers. And what we wanted to, from those 186, we selected 12 technologies for POC, but now we have 8 under definition. It has been, I'm always clean with this or transparent because it has been a hard job. This way we are learning by doing. The 4 corporations, we never worked before together, and it has been a hard process, but it's very, I don't know, satisfactory. I don't know how to say. And we said that in December, we wanted to have some POCs ongoing, but we haven't been able because the negotiations with the startups or the R&D center has been quite hard. Negotiation in the budget, the time, the people involved, the NDA, the contract. So there are problems everywhere. But I think now at the end of April, we are going to have the first 2. So there we go. And also I have to say the POCs, we are not only 1, 2, at least there are some, and I think I have the numbers. Yeah, those are the POCs that we are negotiating. So we are more than 1 member, 2, 3. And for that, it has been quite hard. If any of you want more information about this, I don't mind to share it later. Yeah, and also we are not only managing the POCs, but we are also visiting some of our industrial facilities. We have been present in summits to tell about us. So this has been the way in 2024. As I said, we visited some, this is a holding plant, this is Iberia facility in Madrid, where they maintain the planes. This is the event where we selected the 12 technologies. And we have this way or these lines for 2025. We are still learning how to work together. And yeah, this is what I wanted to tell you about. Magnus is always pushing me to tell All4Zero because he said that is unique and he doesn't know any initiative like us. So I'm very happy to be here telling all of you this initiative.
Super. Thank you.
I will finish with the video.
There are people who think only one thing when they hear challenge: opportunity. And when these people get together, the most powerful technology is born. A technology capable of changing the world. And it moves forward driven by talent, commitment, and collaboration. This technology is born at All4Zero, an industrial technological innovation hub unique in Spain. A space where disruptive technologies hold the key to decarbonization and where cooperation leads the way towards transformation. Because the net zero emissions challenge is one we need to face together. The future begins here. Do you want to be a part of innovation that will change the world?
I hope so.